Okay, pile of things down. What we've got to do now is decide where the water's going to go, build some rocks, put some plants in, put some lighting in, and the job's a good one. Okay, had a pretty good day. I think it's about 5 o'clock in the evening now. Got the frame for my false rocks, going to come here. Plastic is in. Just got to decide where the water's going to fall. I've got an outlet here, and I've got an outlet. Hopefully water will come down this way, down there, and then round here, and there. That is the plan. But overall, had a good day. Carry on tomorrow. Bye bye.
Good morning. Lovely day this morning. A bit warmer than yesterday. Today, this is my goal. Is I've got to build up the side of these rocks. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to use this cardboard, some wire mesh, and some concrete. So that is my goal for today. Let's see how we progress.
So the process is I cut cardboard to suit. And then I use a stapler to staple it to the frame. You might think it doesn't look very strong, but bear in mind it's going to be covered by wire netting and concrete, so it will be strong. Okay, so I can't do it and film at the same time, so I'll have to finish it and then show you the finished product. Okay, so the frame is now covered in cardboard, both sides. Next step is to cover the cardboard in this wire mesh. And then once that's done, you just cover it in concrete. As simple as that. Okay, it is now covered in the wire mesh all around. Next step is concrete.
Some of you might be wondering, why didn't I just buy a load of stone and build a waterfall with stone, real stone? Well, this is a waterfall on a budget. All the stones there I've made myself. The only expense I've had is for the concrete in the water, posts and the slats, which are for fencing. That cost about maybe £25–30. The plastic liner was maybe about £15. Bought some sand and cement, maybe about £10. And that's basically it so far. I watch these YouTube videos and they spend fortune on rocks and liners and waterfall foam and all sorts of things that you don't basically need. So this is a waterfall on a budget. and we'll see how it turns out.
That's 3 in 1. Add some water. You don't want too much water. You don't want it too wet, but you also don't want it too dry. So I'll put a bit in first. We'll add a bit of this glue just to help it all stick together. And then I'll mix it all up. Okay, got my mix made up ready. So, what we'll do is bucket. And I just basically just spread it on. It doesn't have to be a perfect finish. This is just the first coat. Anyway, that's the process. I'll just cover the whole mesh in this concrete and I'll show you the finish when I'm done. That's 1 wheelbarrow mix applied for a first coat. It's getting a bit hot now. Probably getting on for 30 degrees. So, see it's taking shape. I use these screws just to hold the wire down a little bit better. But that's 1 mix, maybe 2 more mixes to go. Good morning. Beautiful morning today. It's about 19 degrees. It's about quarter to 7 in the morning. 23rd of March. And today we are going to uncover the cover protecting the concrete. I want to trim back this plastic. Today I have a student coming, so I've got to teach this morning. So maybe I shall mix up some more concrete to put the next coat on this afternoon. Today my plan is to trim back this plastic, get it just about right so it looks better, and then I'll go and teach. Okay, speak to you later. This is how it's looking. First rough coat. Taking shape. See, it's hollow but solid. Okay, there's Snowy. Always coming to help me. Snowy. It's a good boy. It's a good boy. Sun's coming up. Speak to you later. Okay, it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Hot day today. It's 33 degrees Celsius, which is about 90 degrees Fahrenheit. So I've been waiting for it to cool down. So it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's starting to cool down a bit. So my next step is build a smaller wall similar to this one just here. Got my sticks here to build it. So let's go. Right, I've got the cardboard and the frame up for the other side. So we've just got to put the wire netting on, which we'll do tomorrow. A bit late now, I think it's about 6:30 now. See you tomorrow. Good morning, it's 25th of March. It's 6:30 in the morning. Temperature is a lovely 23 degrees, so it's perfect for working in. So I'm going to show you what I'm planning to do today. So as you can see over there is the waterfall taking shape. I managed to finish the right hand side fake rocks last night. I didn't get back from Kuwait until 5 o'clock in the evening, so I had 1 hour to complete the fake rocks on the right hand side. So you can see the basic shape of my waterfall now. So next step is to put the top coat on. So I'm going to work on this side today. I shall hopefully finish that today. See how I get on. I might do that side as well today, depending on the time. Depends how hot it gets. When it gets too hot, I can't really work in the sun. So that is my plan. So I'll get back to you later. Right, these are the tools I'm going to be using. First thing I want to do is to wet it down. And then I'll be painting on some of this before I put on the top coat. Okay, taking shape. Show you what I'm doing. That's how I'm applying it, and then I'm smoothing it off with my trowel. Don't forget it's fake rock, so it doesn't want to look perfect. But that's the process, and I'll get back to you later. Right, got this side done. Just got to tidy it up with this brush. All these little bits. Over here. Just to make it smoother. So that's basically it. What I've got to do around all of it. So that's this side done. One more barrel mix, and I should get it finished. Okay, catch you later. That's one side finished. Bear in mind that's the first time I've ever done this type of thing, so I'm pretty pleased how it's turned out. So I should cover it over with this sheet, help stop it drying out too quick and cracking. And then maybe this afternoon when it cools down a bit, I'll do that side. Okay, catch you later.